The link will be provided in the chat box. All of you must go through the link and write the exam. If any problem in the link, please inform me. మా గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ఓపెన్ అయింది అందరికి. ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. మా గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ఓపెన్ అయిందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే. లింక్ ఓపెన్ అయితే ఎవరు నాకు చెప్పండి అమ్మా. If anyone got problem, please inform me. Only first 2 units. The questions will be from first 2 units. ఎందుకు లెఫ్ట్ అవుతున్నారు ఎగ్జామ్ రాయడానికి? The link will be provided also in the WhatsApp group. వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో కూడా షేర్ చేశానమ్మా, చూడండి. It accept the responses till 5 o'clock only. After 5 it won't accept. All of you write the exam and the questions. If there is any doubt, please ask me. Minna, ఇవ్వండి దగ్గర వస్తావా అమ్ముకొని.
N2 support.
Am I a problem? All of you, please write the exam pass test. I will discuss the questions after the exam, after 15 minutes. Write your email address, the student name of the student, register number, second class year, second year, section A అయితే A, B అయితే B రాయండి, and mobile number. All of you mute yourself. The link is also available in the chat box. Attendance will be provided. ఎవరైతే ఎగ్జామ్ అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళకి మాత్రం అటెండెన్స్ ఇస్తాను. ఇప్పుడే అయిపోయింది. రెస్పాన్స్ నాకు రికార్డ్ అవుతాయి. ఆ రెస్పాన్స్ బట్టి మీ రిజిస్టర్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, yeah, please take attendance. మా అందరికి లింక్ ఓపెన్ అయింది కదమ్మా, అది ఎవరికైనా ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చిందా? The link is also available in the WhatsApp group also. All of you submitted?
Yeah.
Only 120 members, remaining 80 members. మా ఎగ్జామ్ సబ్మిట్ చేశారమ్మా అందరూ? Shall I discuss question paper? All of you completed? All of you submitted or not? Still, some of the students joined class at 4:20. 4:20 కూడా జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు క్లాసులకి. 4 o'clock అయితే All of you complete the exam within 3 minutes. After that, the first question is, the dash format is usually used to store data. Generally, under hexadecimal decimal రాసి ఉంటారు, hexadecimal రాసి ఉంటారు అందరూ, but it is BCD. The correct answer is binary coded form లో రాస్తాం, binary coded decimal form లో రాస్తాం, స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాం. The format is usually used to store data is BCD format. Okay. And the 8-bit encoding format used to store data in a computer. Chipping whenever a keyboard is stuck in the keyboard, that key will be converted to 8-bit ASCII code. Okay, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The 8-bit it is ASCII code. This is ASCII code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The second one is, and third one is, the extremely fast RAMs are called as small memories. ఏమంటారంటే cache memory అంటారు. Cache memories. Small RAM memories ఏమంటారంటే cache memory. That is placed between the processor and main memory processor కి మధ్యలో ప్లేస్ చేస్తారని చెప్పాను, గుర్తుందా? Cache increase the speed of the processor, we have to use the cache memory. Okay. And the ALU makes use of dash to store the intermediate results. Accumulators. Accumulator ని ఇచ్చేసుకుంటాం. Okay. And dash bus structure is usually used to connect IO device. That is single bus structure. Usually IO device connect చేయడానికి we have to use single bus structure. Fifth one answer is single bus structure. And sixth one,
Hi, sir. Yeah. See you.
okay. Next one, the IO interface required to connect the IO device to the bus consist of the interface. చెప్పాం కదా, address decoder, registers, control circuit. These three will be there in the IO interface. The decoder instruction is stored in seventh one, IR instruction register లో store చేస్తాం. The instruction is read from the memory and that will be transferred to IR register. Okay, IR register. The instruction add allow location comma R0. Add location comma R0 ఏం చేస్తుంది? It adds the contents of location and R0 and the result again stores in R0 only. The first option, location data and R0 data both will be added and the result is again stored in R0 only. Okay. And ninth one, during the execution of program, which gets initialized first. Whenever you store, if you store any program in the memory unit, the starting address is available in program counter. Okay, that is initialized first. Program counter is initialized first.
That is lifted. And I still in the
కింద నుంచి పైకి వచ్చేస్తా ప్రింటింగ్. The program counter is gets initialized first. before executing any program. Dash is used to store data in register. Register construct చేయడానికి ఏ ఫ్లిప్ ఫ్లాప్ వాడతాం? మీకు SQL చెప్పుంటారు. ఏ ఫ్లిప్ ఫ్లాప్ is used to construct the register. Okay, D flip flop. D. And the main virtue of using single bus structure is cost effective connectivity and ease of attaching peripheral device. Second one, కాస్ట్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది ఎందుకంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ తక్కువ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి కాస్ట్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది అండ్ అటాచింగ్ పెరిఫరల్ డివైస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ. ఓకే, సింగిల్ బస్ స్ట్రక్చర్ యొక్క అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఏంటంటే కాస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ connectivity and ease of attaching peripheral devices. Okay, dash are used to overcome the difference in data transfer speeds of various devices. Buffer registers are used. Buffer registers in just చెప్పాం కదా, స్పీడ్ తేడా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తామంటే before transmitting to slow device, the data first stored in the buffer register and then buffer to the data will be transferred to the IO devices. Okay, you have to use the buffer register. The bus used to connect the monitor to the CPU. CPU నుంచి మానిటర్ కనెక్ట్ చేసే బస్ ని ఏమంటారంటే SCSI బస్ అంటారు. అంటే SCSI బస్, the bus used to connect the monitor and CPU. This will be discussed in the third unit. Okay, ఇంకా చెప్పలేదు నేను. Unfortunately question will be given. SCSI bus will be there. Serial interface అని ఉంటుంది, serial communication serial interface bus ఉంటుంది. Okay, that is SCSI bus. The main advantage of multiple bus organization over a single bus: reduction of number of cycles for execution. Okay, it reduces the number of cycles for execution of the. During execution of the instruction, a copy of the instruction is placed in the execute చేసేటప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే that copy, that instruction is also available in cache memory. Okay, we have to store that instruction in the cache also. Okay, a copy will be available in the cache memory. Two processors A and B will have clock frequency 700 MHz, 900 MHz respectively. A execute 3 steps, B can execute 5 steps. For the execution of the same instruction, which processor is faster? Okay, clock cycle 700 అక్కడ తెలిసిపోతుంది 700 MHz. A is the correct answer. A processor performing fetch or decode different instructions during the execution of another instruction is called pipelining under. Before executing the instruction, second will be fetched. That is called pipelining. 18th, the clock rate of the processor can be improved by using all these three: overclocking method, improving IC technology, and reducing the amount of processing. All of the mentioned is the correct answer. And ultimate goal of a compiler to reduce the clock cycles for a programming task. Okay, number of clock cycles decrease cheyadaniki you have to use the compiler. SPEC stands for SPEC stands for System Performance evaluation corporation. Okay, that is SPEC is nothing but System Performance Evaluation Corporation. The average number 21, the average number of steps taken to execute the set of instructions can be made to be less than 1 by following. Super scaling. By super scaling, we have to reduce the number of instructions made. If a processor clock is rated to 1250 million cycles per second, then its clock period is 1 by 1250, it will be 8 into 10 to the power of 10 seconds. 1 by 1250 milliseconds. We have to 1 by 1250. It will be millicycles. Then answer will be 8 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Okay. The instruction add R1, R2, R3 is executed in a system that is pipelined. Then S value is for any instruction, S value is approximately equal to 1. The S value is approximately equal to 1. CISC stands for Complex Instruction Set Computer. Complex Instruction Set Computer. CISC stands for Complex Instruction Set Computer. As of 2000, the reference system to find SPEC. SPEC rating calculate చేయాలంటే reference కింద మన Ultra Spark UI 300 mAh system యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, in order to calculate the performance of any system, అంటే ఇప్పుడు performance will be calculated with respect to the good student. Okay, bad student అంటే we have to calculate the backlash compared to the good student. అలాగే సిస్టమ్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కూడా ఒక గుడ్ సిస్టమ్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ అల్ట్రా స్పార్క్ సిస్టమ్. ఓకేనా? after submitting the exam, here అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకున్నారమ్మా?
తీసుకున్నాను సార్.
ఓకేనమ్మా, ఓకే. ఆఫ్టర్ సబ్మిటింగ్ ది ఎగ్జామ్ mail. Okay, the exam link will be opened up to 5 o'clock only. Okay, if any student is absent, please submit the exam in the WhatsApp group.